Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is K-Tail and I am back with another video. If you are new here, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Okay.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all this hair that I got from Alipearl hair. But this hair is the 22-inch wear and go straight 5x5 closure wig. Okay, so wear and go means you're supposed to put it on, wear it, and go. In this video, I'm showing y'all how I bleached the knots, giving y'all the initial review on how I feel about the hair, installing the hair, of course. But to make this perfectly clear, this is mostly about the hair and not about how I do my installs. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into this video. Initially taking it out the package, and of course it came in this pretty box. This box is so cute. It had a couple of little extra essential pieces that you need for installing the wigs, you know, so you can feel like that girl, such as the wig cap, bonnets, you know, extra essential pieces that they send, of course. And then it was also the wig. So this wig is a 22-inch wear and go straight 5x5 closure wig. So wear and go is more like glueless. It's supposed to be a glueless wig. The wig itself did have 2, or was it 3? Okay, no, so it has 2 clips and a band. Okay, there's 1 clip at the top behind the closure, and then there's 1 clip at the bottom, and then there's a band that goes across, touches here and here, going around. When you tighten this band, that wig is not going nowhere, and that closure is going to be laid down. After taking it out of the package, y'all know that I do not go nowhere without washing the hair first. Okay, so bleaching the knots, I use the Clairol blue powder, and I use the Clairol 20 volume developer. So after mixing it up to a nice toothpaste consistency, leave it on for 15 minutes. Now I messed up and I ended up leaving it on longer than that, and that's fine. So I did over bleach the knots. After I rinsed off the bleach, blew it out, and I straightened it. I was going to do some curls in the process of straightening the hair, but instead I just decided to keep it straight. I don't know why. The curls was cute, but it was like I always do curly hair. So here we are. We have the straight hair looking real cute. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now we can get into this install, and I will see y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, so here I am. Braids has been in for about 3 wig installs, so do not mind what's going on up here. These are coming out as soon as this wig comes off. So yeah, so right now I'm using this ultra glued got to be glue. I'm going to slick the edges back. So slick this back. I gotta clean my edge brushes. And then on the sides, because this wig is a closure wig, play with the sides just a little bit because it's really not that serious. No, but it's not that serious. I am taking out some sideburns. So my hair is in like a little bun back there. I don't know if I should do that. I think I'm just gonna tuck it into the cap. They did provide me 2 caps, and make sure it's just covering like the front of your hairline. I'm gonna take some of this Even Wonderlay spray, and I'm going to spray around this part of my hairline. As you've seen, I'm not cutting the cap like at all. So this is what the cap looks like. It looks super thick right here, but that's fine. Move out that cap just a little bit. So I sprayed down the cap without cutting it so that when I wear the wig, the cap isn't slipping back. And you know when you take off your wig and then the cap be like back here on the back of your head. That's the reason I sprayed on the cap. So while we let that dry, I should get a little bit more on the sides. In the meantime, while this dries, I do want to show y'all the wig. Here she is, all pushed back. I did over bleach slightly. This is what she looks like. She's real silky straight. So the foundation cream that I'm using is the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation 3D Face Creator in the color 9. This is my shade. It does come in multiple shades, but this one, in fact, number 9, is my shade. I'm just going to take like a little makeup brush and I'm going to go around that cap. Now if you want to go like a little half a shade darker, that's fine too. That works just as well. I'm also going to put some of this foundation on the inside of this lace. You just gotta tint that lace on that cap because baby. So now that that's done, actually sits, it looks good. So this is what the lace is looking like. You can definitely see the over bleached knots. Like that looks so crazy. So I'm gonna flip this over. That same spray I used on the cap on this. Kind of spread it. Wait till that dry. Then I'm going to put this lace right on top of it. That's good. Take out them baby hairs. Okay, and Alipearl did send me a little band. This is another wig band. I'm going to put this on. So right now I'm gonna find my middle part, which is right here, and heat up my hot comb, and I'll be right back. So I think we're pretty much done here. I gave y'all the review. I showed y'all how I bleached my knots, which honestly I over bleached it because I left it on there longer. I had got distracted in the middle of washing it out, or I brought it to the sink to initially wash it out, but my boyfriend told me that he had brought food back and I went downstairs to eat and I forgot it on the lace. I blew it out, I straightened it. I didn't use any product straightening it, but afterwards I did put a little bit of this is the Mixed Chicks hair silk. I got this from, I believe, oh, TJ Maxx. Yeah, I use this. I like that stuff because it doesn't make it oily. I also hot combed all of the hair back. This hair took me about 10 minutes to put on after it was been done. And once I take this off, I can always put it back on my head without having to do those extra steps that I did show y'all. This hair overall is super nice. The way it was packaged, especially in this cute little box right here. Once again, this is from Alipearl hair. It's 22 inches. It is a glueless wig. So this is my comb going underneath that lace to show you how glueless it is. I still put a little bit of spray on it because that's just the way I like to do my hair. Like, it has to have some type of adhesive in a way. I didn't use glue and I didn't use a gel. I used simply just a little bit of spray to kind of stick it down. It's still, you know, it's still glueless. I can still take this off my head as need be, but it's so tight. Like, it's so tightly secured to my head. It's not going anywhere. Overall, this hair is nice and I do like this wig, but that is all for this video. I showed y'all everything that needs to be shown today. That's it. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Follow me on social media, which will be popped up right here. Comment down below what kind of hairstyles you want to see me do next. Let me know how y'all feel about this wig, or if y'all want to give me any tips on installing wigs, because I'm not an install expert. I'm not a wig expert. If anything, I do more natural hair, sew-ins, and things like that. I feel like anybody who wears wigs usually have wigs in rotation. And yeah, so this will probably be just one in rotation. So I don't think y'all really need a 2-week or 2-month update. I just know that this hair is really nice. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye.